Wow. Say hi, Lisa. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Val, and today I'm gonna do an apartment haul shopping vlog type of thing, you know, to show you guys what I'm planning on getting for my apartment. And we have Lisa here, and we have Lindy. What's wrong with you? We have Lisa and Lindy with us, and yeah, so we're going to Ross, and then we're also gonna go to TJ Maxx and see what good stuff they have there. And yeah, so if you want to see some of the things I'm planning on getting, stay tuned. So yeah, we're just at the front of the store, and they have cool stuff right here. Say hi, Lindy. Okay. And they have these velvet hangers and stuff, but I already got these, so I don't need any more hangers because I have a lot already. And they have bed sets here, and my theme is like green, well not green, but like earthy and woodsy, because those are things that you can find at like every store. So I might get some gray stuff, I don't know yet. And I really like this tapestry, so nice, but I don't know about this color and this design. I think I'll just go on Amazon for tapestries, but yeah, it's this one and the American flag. I don't know who would want that as a tapestry, but yeah. And now we're in the kitchenware department. The pots and stuff, like I want the kind that comes in a set, because I definitely want like a frying pan, and then like something like this and something like this too, like maybe a set of three, because those are like the basic things that you need. And I definitely know I need utensils and all this fancy stuff. Like they have reusable straws. I don't know who needs straws that much, but that sounds cool. They do. They got reusable straws. Fun fact about me, I never learned how to use a can opener, so I just use a knife around the can, and it worked perfectly fine my whole life, and I don't need to learn how to use it, so it doesn't matter. And I don't cook that much, but I'm trying to do more this year, so these cutting boards look really nice and they're a good price, so definitely getting a cutting board. Like, I'm a real chef in these streets, y'all. Like, I'll invite y'all over to come and taste some of what I'm gonna make, because it's about to go up in my apartment. Ooh, this is nice. 2 knives too. Found like a kitchen drawer divider. This is so cool, and I'm definitely getting it, because I hate it when like the knives and the forks are all like disorganized in the drawer and I have to spend time looking for it when it could just perfectly be in one place. Now we're in the cup aisle, and there's not that much cups here. Like they all come in sets, but I don't need that much, and like I don't know if I even want to use glass cups because they can easily break, and I'm not really trying to be fancy. I just need something to drink out of, so I'm gonna just get them at Walmart. Same thing with the pots and the pans, because those over there look nice, but I know at Walmart they come like in a set in a box, and they're like way cheaper. Now I'm in the aisle with the wall stuff and the decor, and this one looks really, I like this one, but I also, where's the butterfly? Yeah, that's so pretty to me, but I think I just want to do tapestry on my wall because it's way more vibrant than like these, and like I don't want to like mess up the wall hanging this up. So yeah, but these editing cam here, a little background of why I don't want to hang anything up on my walls. I just learned how to take off command strips after having to pay fees for it, because I kind of ripped the paint off my wall when I was moving out. So yeah, I don't read instructions and it shows. But these are really nice, and I wanted like a long mirror to go over my door, and they normally have them at Ross, but I don't see it here, just like these basic ones. So kind of disappointed, but it's only my first shopping trip, so it's okay. Now we're in the rug aisle, and if you want like a good, nice, affordable rug that's also good quality, definitely come to Ross, because this is where I came from my last rug last year. And it's like, what color is my rug? Gray? Yeah, my rug is gray, and I got it from here, and it was like $25, and it's really good quality. But right now I'm looking for a bath mat, so I would think it's in this area kind of, because I don't need a rug anymore. I'm just gonna reuse the one that I had in my dorm. I found this nice little window curtain thingy because my room has a window. Yay! And yeah, it looks really pretty. I don't know if it goes with my room theme, and I decided to change my theme because figured out I don't really see anything that even goes with what I was looking for, and I didn't know what I was looking for either, so maybe that's why. But we're at bedspreads right now, and these look cool, and like I said, I don't know what I'm going for anymore, so we're just gonna go with anything that looks nice. And I'm thinking blue and white and gray. Can't go wrong with that. But there's a lot of whites, and I don't know if I want my comforter to be white because it gets dirty real quick. This is, never mind, it's ugly. Now we're looking at rugs, and my color was, I wanted blue. Like I wanted blue bath mats and stuff for the bathroom, and this is nice because it came with like the curtain and one rug, but like it only came with one rug, and this color is already kind of different, and then I'll have to find something that matched it, so I was like, no thank you. But the rest of these, they're all right, but like I'm just mad all of them are like 2-piece sets. I want a 3-piece that goes like over the toilet, and like yeah, and most of these are just 2 pieces, and I don't want to have to look for like one individually, so it's a no for me. Oh wait, whoa, I like this, but it's a little too light. It's almost kind of white, kind of different lighting, but it's like, describe this color. Teal? It kind of looks white on camera. Mint. Yeah. Is it nice? Is it nice?
Yeah. Sorry.
I like it.
My face is sorry.
But I just feel like it's so bright. I don't know, like I didn't want to like a light color. Get what I mean? Because like you can see like the dirtiness quicker. I don't know, but it's pretty. But I think I changed my mind about woodsy.
What are you doing?
I don't know anymore. Like white, gray, and blue. Yeah, it's definitely minimalistic and simple, but it's like white, gray, and blue. I think it's nice.
If you're questioning it, then don't do it.
I'm not questioning it. I'm just questioning the color. I'm not. You don't know me. Ooh. Anyways, this is nice. Looking at sheets and stuff, because I don't think I want a comforter this year because they're kind of big and loud for no reason. Hello? What's wrong with you? Yeah, they're kind of big and loud for no reason. Are you okay, Lisa? You're gonna let it go? So yeah, we're just looking at them, and I'm gonna get a blanket to put on top. And these are so pretty. And I kind of want a quilt set. This looks nice. Okay, not that color, that's hideous. But in gray, that's cute to me. I like it. Yeah, I'd rather get like a quilt set than a comforter, because comforters are like so big. Like wintertime, they're great, but like until then, it's just like I don't even sleep with it. I put it to the side and use my blanket. So what's the point, you know? So yeah. As soon as we walked in, there was stuff in front of the store, and nap all day, sleep all night. That's me, period. I should get this right now. I don't know whether to get candles or not because I might burn down the apartment. I don't trust myself. But these smell so good. She almost choked. Okay. These smell so good. Ooh, welcome home. I was talking to you. These smell great. Oh, no it didn't. Never mind. I'm smelling something good, but I don't know which one it is. It smells like sweet, like something like vanilla-ish. But these look really cool and cute, but I think I might stick to air fresheners and plugins. Now we're in the planner section, and you already know from my college advice video, I told you guys to get it because I didn't and I regret it. So these look so cute. Wow. Okay, which one am I gonna get? I'm at like the, what do you even call this, like miscellaneous aisle, I would say, because they have like a bit of everything, and they have like some like quote thing. What do you call this? I don't know, but you get what I mean. Like you can write your own things on it, and that looks cool and all. And then they have succulents. And if you don't know, my theme is gonna have succulents in it. And these look really nice and cute. This one's really nice. I have succulents, but I don't know. I think I want to get them on Amazon where I can like choose like a type of specific succulent I want. And they're all gonna be artificial and fake because I don't trust myself with any living thing. So yeah. And now we're walking here, and mirrors over the door. Mirrors, yay! Can you see me? These look nice. It looks really nice, but I don't want to buy it right now because there's no space in the car for it right now. But I like the idea of it. Yeah. You so cute, bit. Ooh, can I get your number? Y'all, she's single.
She's 16.
Okay?
I mean, she's
How old is she? What? Anyways, y'all gotta get her digits. Like, she's single and ready to mingle. Slim thick over there, looking a little Korean, but she cute.
banana berry.
How is it?
It's good.
I got strawberry kiwi breeze and it tastes like the bomb. Lindy, what did you get?
It's not open.
She got this green tea. What is the name of it? Green tea matcha.
Tango?
I don't know. How is it?
I didn't taste it yet. Hold on.
Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't mind my background, I'm following the light. Anyways, this is my first shopping trip, so I might do like another vlog because I didn't get as much things as I wanted to in this shopping trip. So I might do another vlog, or I might just do like an overall what I got from my apartment type video like I did for my dorm haul last year. You should check that out. Anyways, again, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see next, and I got you. Bye. Mwah.
Don't sleep, you gon' miss your opportunity.